DC police have arrested a teen after a man was attacked in a popular nightlife area in Northwest Washington. 6 more suspects are still wanted now. Police say the group attacked a man at 14th and T Streets overnight. On October 27th, he was rushed to the hospital, but he is expected to be okay. Investigators are now looking at this as a possible hate crime.
And developing this afternoon, DC's United States Attorney's Office is not filing charges against any U.S. Park police officers involved in the shooting death of a 17-year-old boy last year. DC News Now's Randy Bass is outside the Department of Justice with the latest details. Randy, what can you tell us?
Yes, prosecutors announcing today they feel there's just not enough evidence to be able to bring federal civil rights charges or criminal charges along with any DC local charges against the officer accused in this case. That shooting happened back on March 18th of last year in Northeast. That shooting killed 17-year-old Dalaneo Martin. Officers say Martin was sleeping in the driver's seat of an SUV last year when they found him, and when officers tried to go into the car through a back door to get him out, he woke up, started driving down the street with a parked police officer in the back seat. Dramatic body camera footage shows the officer telling Martin to stop the car or he'll shoot, but Martin keeps driving. That's when the officer fired 5 shots at the teen. The car kept moving, crossing over a sidewalk and crashing into a house on 36th Street. The announcement coming today that there will not be charges filed against that officer at this point. The U.S. Attorney's Office saying in part in a statement, the U.S. Attorney's Office remains committed to investigating allegations of excessive force by law enforcement officers and will continue to devote the resources necessary to ensure that all allegations of serious civil rights violations are investigated fully and completely. Now, we've reached out to Martin's family members and other local organizations that have supported them over the last year and a half. They are all very emotional hearing this news and not ready to talk on camera with DC News Now at this point. However, his family attorneys are expected to issue a statement sometime soon. In Northwest, I'm Randy Bass, DC News Now.